Hello kids, colors name. Let's learn to 2D shapes and color. Right triangle, rectangle, pentagon, heart, rounded square, pie. Its colors name: red color, blue color, light pink color, light green color, sky blue color, green color, yellow color, pink color, orange color. Shapes drawing kids: green color, right triangle, rectangle, pentagon, heart, rounded square, pie. Kids, pie. Light green color, right triangle, rectangle, light pink color, purple color, pentagon, yellow color, heart, blue color, rounded square, red color, pie. Right triangle, rectangle, pentagon, heart, rounded square, pie. Kids, this video like and my channel subscribe. Thanks for watching.